Zeppeli?
Yeah. I was about to say Zeppeli, but Zeppeli sounds better.
That's not my taste, but let's get out of here first. Before we talk about the next step, I think we can actually get out of here. I'm getting eaten by bears.
Pawns up. Brakes are tight. Very tight. I had to stop to get a leaf out of my bike. I didn't want my finger to get cut off.
You would think Aggie just got a new mountain bike.
Yeah. She's all over the place. She's having a ball. Come on.
Over there.
Yeah.
So this is fine.
This is actually better, actually. This is really fun. Daddy, can you come over and take my bike?
Listen, hold it from here.
No, that's... Can you still come over and get it?
Yeah.
So when we came into the part where we've never been to before, I saw in my peripheral vision, is that what it's called?
Yep.
A giant stump like that, and it looked like a bear going like this. No idea, like.
Those bears are good at camouflage, huh?
Yeah. Well, technically it's the trees that are good at camouflage. Because it was the trees.
I was trying to make it seem like it was actually a bear pretending to be a tree.
Yeah, Daddy.
And I think it's very funny to scare little kids.
Ha ha ha. You're so funny. We are not going to Oh!
here?
Yeah. Pick it up. I dare you. Serious.
He's not gonna let me.
Yeah, he is. Pick it
No.
up. Pick it up.
He's not gonna let me.
I dare you. Pick it up.
Here, look, this is the top of that,
Freak show.
I think that this is that.
Oh, Aggie almost stepped on it.
She doesn't care about a snake.
Poor snake.
Okay.
Bye, Snakey. Nah, quickly, Slither. Keep going, I'm riding. Steady. Bring it back.
Well, you know what? I think,
We're going the wrong way? Yeah. You think? I don't remember riding in a river.
okay, so let's turn around.
What? I was just getting used to this. Come on, we gotta keep going.
No, we're going towards the highway. We know that's the wrong way.
Is that a bad thing? Okay, now let me get up here and turn around.
Okay.
Here, no, just come over here and take my bike. Do it.
Like, dude.
You suck. I mean, other than your awesomeness, you suck.
Other than what?
Your awesomeness, you suck. Ow, Aggie, really? Really? Here, let's see if Snake is clear. Yep, he's still there.
Yeah? Oh, yeah, you're right. Pick him up. Here, I'll get your bike.
No, you pick him up. You're the one who suggested it now. Do you see him? I still see him.
Yeah, he's over there. But he obviously does not want to be
Daddy, just get him.
He does not want to be handled.
I don't care. Get him. He's right there. He's in the open.
Yes.
You can grab him from the middle and he'll go down